Hola amigo. So what happened is that I don't know if you remember, but I did a couple videos before using some compost soil that I took from the worm bin. Hice unos videos usando suelo que saqué del compostaje de los gusanos, and I thought that it could be good. Pensé que podría estar bueno por usarlo. Well, what happened is that after probably 2-3 weeks or something, después de 2 o 3 semanas, the difference between those plants and the ones on regular soil, la diferencia entre esas plantas y las que estaban en suelo normal, it was like pretty big. And basically that soil doesn't have enough nutrients to give to the plant. Ese suelo no tenía ningún tipo de nutrientes para entregar a las plantas, so basically the plants were not growing. Las plantas no estaban creciendo. So I got rid of that soil. I changed it for good soil. Lo cambié por suelo bueno. And I don't even know why I'm saying this, because like this video is about something else. Este video es sobre otra cosa. If you remember when I took down the cherry plant, I'm gonna post a video here, like a link. Voy a poner un link de cuando saqué la planta cherry, la derrumbé. I did a lot of this clippings from that stem. Tomé un montón de estacas de ese tallo en el fondo, and they all grew roots pretty fast. I'm gonna also say how long it's been, probably 2-3 weeks, I can't really remember. So these are all cherry tomato plants. Son todas plantas de tomate cherry from the same plant. So basically this is one stem, esto es un tallo. So I just prepared a bunch of containers, different sizes, with soil to use this. Para usar estos clones, voy a probar aquí con distintos tamaños. And I'm just going to be trying to clip them at different sizes to see what's the ideal, para ver cuál es el tamaño ideal. Voy a empezar a podarlos a medida que vayan creciendo. And I also did one right here that is hydroponic. Este es uno que es hidropónico. When you do the hydroponic way, or the Kratky system, cuando usa el sistema Kratky, it doesn't, in my opinion, really matter the size of the container. Like that doesn't really influence on how the plant grows. No creo que el tamaño del contenedor influya en cómo crezca la planta. The only thing that is gonna change with that is how often you're gonna have to be refilling it with nutrients and water. Lo único que va a cambiar creo que es que vas a tener que llenarlo más a menudo con nutrientes, dependiendo del tamaño del contenedor. So all of these containers have no drainage, no tienen drenaje, because in the future I still pretend to use them as Kratky. Hydroponics. Yeah. We have to be careful here not to... Okay, so this one doesn't have anything. This one has a tiny root. Huh! Maybe all of them have tiny roots and the only one with a lot of roots is the main one. That's funny. This is just starting to grow. No roots. This one has quite a bit. And this one has a bunch of roots too. So this one has most of the roots. So I'm just gonna use this directly here in the hydroponic. Yeah, this one's gonna go right in there. Directamente ahí este. Now the only thing we have to do is put some clay pebbles on it. Vamos a ponerle algunas piedrecitas de estas de arcilla. Yeah, that's enough. Okay, so this one is done. Esta está lista ya. So we're just not gonna put it under the lights. See what happens. Ya la vamos a poner abajo las luces y ver qué pasa. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Tenemos 4. Y estas 3 de acá. So these 3 have no roots. This one is kind of growing something right there. Yeah, it's just starting to grow a root right there. Okay. Okay, anyway. It's starting to grow root. So these 2, I don't think they are growing anything. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have 6 containers, so we're just gonna use 4. No, this one, and I put this little plant in here. That's it. We're gonna water them after. Después lo vamos a regar. Then we're gonna use a small size container. We're gonna get this. Then this one has roots, has no leaves yet, but it's gonna go in the medium size container. And The bigger one is gonna go in this. There we go. That's it. And we'll just water them. And then we're just gonna wait for some leaves. And when that happens, we may make another video. So when you do this without drainage, you have to be you have to know your container basically. You have to fill it when it's empty and then fill it when it's with water. Because you don't want to have a lot of water in the bottom, right? It's gonna turn into a bog. Cuando tienes estos tipos de contenedores, no quieres echarle demasiada agua, hay que tomarles el peso, tomarles el peso con agua y sin agua. It's not very easy, but you learn with practice. No es tan fácil, pero con la práctica aprende. That's why I try to have a lot of plants. So if I kill one, I have several others to keep trying. That's this video. 4 cherry tomato, 5 actually with the hydroponic. 4 en suelo y 1 hidropónico. So we're gonna place them under the lights now and then I'll keep updating. Voy a seguir haciendo updates luego. Gracias, chao, nos vemos.